Hey guys, it's Lily and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari here on YouTube. And also
Olliebug.
is also a reseller, right?
Yeah, I'm a reseller.
On what?
On Kidizen.
Kidizen. And what's the name of your store?
Olliebug and me.
Alright. How are you feeling?
I feel better.
Feel better? Well, okay, we'll quit wiping your nose.
Yeah, I'm getting itchy.
Okay, don't do that. Everyone was so worried about you. What do you say to all those people that were so worried about you? And they were saying all those nice things. And praying for you to feel better and get better.
Okay. And thank you.
And you do feel better. You got a really sharp tooth here. Is that still your baby tooth right here? This one? Oh, it's loose. Oh my gosh, she's going to lose another tooth. Ouch. Okay, today we have another Goodwill Infants and Kids box. It came from Lake Worth, Florida. I already cut it open. But look how tiny this is. I mean, like, it's little. So it shouldn't take long for us to go through this. So let's see. Yep, and I ordered it on the 18th of March.
Yeah,
I know what that looks like. Are you ready?
Next box has to be a toy box.
Well, I can't find you a toy box. If anybody knows where we can order boxes of, like, new toys for him to list, let me know, because I've not been able to find any anywhere. All right, first item, let's go. Let's get into this box.
Yeah. Whoa.
As I suspected. Okay, what is that?
Look like.
What is it?
Look like Jamie.
Little onesie jammies for babies.
What? Whoopsie.
For right? Is it for babies?
Yeah.
I think so, because it even comes with a hat.
Yeah.
And this is by Chickpea, which is a decent brand. Retail value is $12. But it's 3 onesies and a little hat. So it looks like we might be doing some bundling. Next. Nope, let's not play games.
Okay.
That's not what we do on YouTube.
Okay.
What do we have there?
Looks like onesies.
More onesies. And we didn't even say what size these were. I'm guessing they're newborn. Oh, no. First ones were 6 to 9 months. These ones are 3 to 6 months. These are organic rabbit and bear. Also retail at $12. No hat, but 3 onesies. I love my daddy, it says. And a plain gray one, and then a patterned one. Alright, let's move this a little bit so they can see what I'm showing them. Alright.
It's so heavy.
That's because everything's holding on to each other. Aww. What is that? Turn it around and show them.
That looks like a dress.
It is. Out, out.
Shut up. And black and white dress.
It's a blue and white dress.
Huh?
It's a dark blue. It's navy and white. For a 12-month-old, and it's Habitual Kid. Never heard of this one before. Hopefully it's worth a little bit more than the $12 ones. I don't know if you can see that or not. Cute dress. It feels quality. Oh no! We're light. We're lightless. Okay, no moving. Out!
Shut up.
Between the dogs. What are those for? You needed them tonight at dinner.
Yeah.
Because you made a mess. We have bibs.
Bibs.
There's a 3-pack of Baby Disney. They've got Mickey. And we've got Mickey. And we've got Mickey. Mickey bibs. 3-pack.
Just 3 Mickey bibs.
Excuse me. Yeah, no price. So, but it's Disney, baby. Okay, next. Yep. We definitely got another baby box, guys.
Yeah.
At least this stuff is easy to list.
Ouch.
Okay, we have some more. Hudson baby. Did you hurt yourself? 5 bodysuits, 3 to 6 months for a little girl. And these are from Hudson's baby. What? Let
I
me
think
see.
I need a Band-Aid.
You need a Band-Aid? Oh, no, you're a big boy. You're all right.
It's bleeding.
It's barely bleeding. Aren't you supposed to be tough?
Yeah. After this video, you can put a Band-Aid on.
Okay, after the video, I'll put a Band-Aid on.
Okay.
You good now?
Uh-huh.
All right. He's good now. After the promise of a Band-Aid. Look, love will find a way. And we have, kindness is everything. Just a minute. Love, love, love. They all have a saying. Live in color with the unicorn. And then, the best of all, let's be better humans. I think we all could learn a lesson from that. That would be my quote for the day that I won't put on the video. We could be better humans. Let's be better humans. Can you say that?
Let's be better humans.
And what does that mean?
We be better.
Better. Okay. All right. No more silliness. What's we got here? What do we have?
Look like.
Another pajamas.
Uh-huh.
Another chickpea pajamas. Guys, everything in this box is new with tags.
With a bow.
So it's a headband.
I need a headband.
It goes around the baby's head to match their jammies. You know, mamas like to make the babies look cute like that.
Uh-huh.
It's a footed coverall and a headband, 2-piece set. No price, but it's chickpea, so I'm guessing not a lot, but it is cute and it's ribbed. Okay, next.
Okay.
Don't you get blood on nothing now. What you got? Why don't you use your other hand to put that one down? Because you're right-handed anyway. Dude. Okay. Here we go. This was originally from Steinmart. This is Ellie and Emily 3-piece tutu set, 0 to 12 months.
Yeah, with wings.
It has wings. It does. Look.
Yeah.
So it's got a tutu and it's got wings and it's got a headband. Is that not cute? What was the original price? Stop that.
Was it
$20.
$20?
Original price was $20. So I see maybe getting 10 for that.
You can easily buy that.
Yeah. Next, right hand.
Again, this handle's gonna be broken.
I'm not going to put a Band-Aid on if you don't do it right.
Okay.
Okay, we have a 6 pair of Bond BB baby socks. 0 to 12 months. I'm kind of guessing there might not be all here. They were reduced from... You know, you're supposed to be doing these videos, and I'm supposed to just be sitting here watching you.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Zara, get! I don't think there's 6 pairs of socks here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 6 pair. They just didn't put them back in right. Aren't those cute?
Aww.
We got the baby girl box. Everything in here is for girls except for one, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Whoa.
What is it?
I gotta read.
What does it look like?
What?
It looks like a pack of washcloths.
Yeah.
3 Berber washcloths. This will probably go in a gift with someone who orders a baby item. Next. No, see what's on top.
Okay. Aww.
You better get out of here. What is it? Okay, no more play clothes when we do videos.
No more play.
Yeah, like this. Your Snuggie thingy jigger, because you're not cooperating. Harry and Violet. Holy cow. Retail price is $36 for this little thing. That is crazy. I guess people pay it. 3 to 6 months. Or, I mean, 0 to 3 months. Is this supposed to have a... Oh, it's supposed to have panties. Bloomers. I don't see bloomers. So, it's missing the bloomers. So, this will probably be a $10 item. If that. Next. That's cute.
Uh-huh.
It's a girl shirt.
Uh-huh. Get $9.99.
Oh, that's very good. $9.99. He does know about money.
Money.
Tahari girl.
I love money.
But this was from TJ Maxx. So compared to $18, Tahari girl. So,
I like CJ Maxx.
yeah. Not PJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is a store.
TJ Maxx. I mean a movie one.
Yeah. That used to be his favorite. TJ Maxx. He used to watch them videos over and over. Oh, what size are these? 90.
90?
Yeah, so we'll have to look at those. But it was a suit. This might be a good brand. I don't know. Get out. Caviar. Size 90. Let's just see.
And
It's got a bow tie.
I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, you were going to tell me that?
Mm-hmm.
And it's got to be small because this wouldn't fit Olliebug. It's got a vest. Oh, look at with this little hanky.
Aww.
This is a little suit.
Yes.
And it's got the pants.
Yeah.
And they're little. So I'm guessing this is probably a 2T. 12 months, 18 months, 2T, maybe. That's a cute little suit. Every little kid needs a suit, right? You had one.
Yeah. You know, I don't know what's gonna be bigger clothes here.
There may not be in this box. We seem to be getting all of the baby stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's even anything in here that your cousin can wear because he's getting so big.
A llama. Llamas.
Those are llamas? No.
I
What is that?
dog.
It's a dog. What is that, a Scotty?
I think so.
Scotty dog. Look at those jammies. Now, those are nice. These are Carter's. 12 months old. Nice and fuzzy and soft and warm.
No,
And it's got a hood.
no, they made
And
it.
if you're interested in anything in this video, send your Mimi an email, right?
How you do that?
They know how to do that.
I don't.
It's probably a good thing.
Ah.
Because you'll be sending emails to everybody.
Hi.
Okay, next. You're almost done.
Yeah. Wow. Yows. That is.
All right, sit down. I'll do it. He's playing around today.
Yikes. I almost fell
It's
down.
on Disney, 24 months. Retails for $19.99 for $20. Who is this? Cool little dude. Yeah, I don't know my Disney figures. It's just a onesie. It's a Disney onesie. Here we go. Is that two separate ones? Or is it one?
That's just one.
It's just one. Oh, oh! How cute is that?
Yeah.
This needs to go to the back. We have a girl's dress. This is BB, by the way. BB baby. It's a cute little chambray and tulle skirt
What size there are?
with cotton leggings. What size is that?
12 and
12 months.
must 12 months.
This is adorable. Oh, look, it says BB right on there.
Baby.
How cute is that? Is that it?
Mhm.
Wow. So we got like a ton of newborn stuff. Again. Last box we got dog stuff, we got men's stuff, we got women's socks.
Mhm.
And this time we get all baby stuff. So we have one more box left here
Yeah.
for him to open next week. And meanwhile, I need to find him somewhere else to order from.
Yeah.
I think he's getting his Mimi sick because he's been sleeping and snuggling with me all week long.
Mhm.
Chained to my hip.
I like to snuggle with you.
Yeah, but his snuggling with me, I think, has made me sick. So, I think it's a really good box. How much was it?
1, 2.
Oh, you want to count?
Uh-huh.
I want to see how much it was first. Okay, $30 plus $5 shipping. So, say $35.
You watch this video, like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah, we can do that too. Okay, are we counting?
Mhm.
How many we got?
2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The 2 makes 8.
9,
Tahari. Socks.
10,
Chickpea.
11, 12,
12 for the, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3 onesies.
13,
For the 5 girls onesies. With my favorite saying for the night, which is, let's
let's
be
be
better.
human.
Very good. How many was that?
And I got
I don't know. I think we were on 12, guys.
13. 14.
This is a nice one. I really like this. I don't know how much it cost. There's no price, but it sure does feel good.
Yeah, you really like it?
I like the way it feels.
Okay.
It's called Habitual Kid. Let's see if you guys can read that tag. I've never heard of it before. Habitual Kid. It feels very well made. Extremely well made. So how many was that?
I think 14.
About 14. All right. Not bad. We're going to make our money back in a little bit. Okay. Why are you looking at me? They don't want to see me. They want to see you tonight.
Yeah.
Boy, once you lose that tooth, you're going to look really funny. Okay. Well, let's say goodbye to everybody because it's their Friday night. Don't be pulling it out.
Bye.
Because you lost your last tooth, remember? Tooth Fairy couldn't come see him because he doesn't sleep right, and he lost it under his pillow somewhere. And it was even in a baggie. I don't know.
In the bag, it got torn up. No, a bag got torn up.
How could the bag get torn up with your tooth in it?
I think a dog's got it.
No, my dogs don't eat that kind of stuff. They find that kind of stuff, but they don't eat that kind of stuff.
I think they like to throw up bags.
They like to tear up bags. Well, sometimes. Okay. All right. So let's tell everybody good night and thank you for all of their kind words and well wishes while you were sick.
Thank you
And
for the kind wishes and nice words while I was sick.
And you feel better?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, let's keep it that way, okay?
Okay.
All right. You better get out.
Sarah.
Everybody wants to join in the video tonight. Okay, well, we will talk to you guys later. It was nice to spend this 23 minutes with you tonight. And I'll just go ahead and say it. I'll see you next time. Lily out.
Olliebug out.